Do you think you would be able to give away this yummy chocolate for free? If your answer is yes, then this business plan can get you out of your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job. So listen to this two-part strategy. And part two is really the key to making this work. So part one, imagine we had a brick-and-mortar business and we placed a box of these free chocolates in the back of our store. It's important to put it in the back. And we put a sign outside the store reading free chocolates inside. Now people that come in for a free chocolate would most probably buy a Coke or a packet of chips to go with the chocolate. Some might decide, seeing that they're already there, they might as well pick up whatever they need for the day. Perhaps a bread, milk, or overpriced cooking oil. You will get a lot of sales by giving away free stuff. Yes, chocolates cost money, and some people might just come in for the free chocolate, so it's not financially viable. So this is where part two comes in. Why not apply this to an online business and instead give away a free, valuable ebook that costs you nothing? Again, you put it in the back of your store, so everybody that wants it has to view your products before they get to the ebook. What do you think are the odds of some people deciding to buy something? This simple trick makes me thousands per month, and it can also make you thousands, even if you just do it in your spare time. So if you can see the potential in this, I would be willing to show you how it's done. Just leave me a comment and I'll be in touch.